Welcome and thanks for joining me. For the next several minutes, I will be your guide to walk you through every aspect of Hotel Recommends. If this is your first time watching the video, you may want to watch it in its entirety. In the future, should you need to brush up on any particular feature, you may click directly on the clip of that feature as shown here to my right. Okay, let's get started. Welcome to Hotel Recommends, your state-of-the-art software program bringing you everything you need to service your guests right at your fingertips. For the next several minutes, we're going to walk you through every aspect of the system. If this is your first time watching the video, you should watch it in its entirety. In the future, should you need to brush up on a particular area only, you may click directly onto that section. Okay, let's get started. First, we'll start by becoming familiar with the home page. It is broken into a few easy-to-navigate sections: your account info, calendar of events, search, content buttons, weather, and advertisements/shortcuts. Your account. Hotel Recommends is customized for each user. By logging into the system, we are able to identify you uniquely. Among other things, this allows us to customize your experience. On the left-hand side of the home page of Hotel Recommends, you will find a red box that contains two main features: Mail and Settings. Settings allow you to change your original issue password to one that you choose. Mail is a two-way communication between Hotel Recommends and you. From time to time, you will receive emails from the administrators of Hotel Recommends. You can reply to those emails and create new email communications to us at any time. We always appreciate your input. Calendar of Events. The Calendar of Events section begins right on the home page, showcasing a few upcoming events. To see the entire calendar, simply click on the Search All link at the bottom of the box. Here you will see the full list of events. The days at the top show the current month with the previous month to your left and the upcoming month to the right. Each day with an event happening will be highlighted in blue. Those with no events will have no color. To see what's happening on a particular day, simply click on that day to see the list. Details of each event can be viewed by clicking on the icon to the right. Searching Hotel Recommends and Internet. Can't find what you're looking for? Simply type your search words in the browser bar. You can choose to search either Hotel Recommends or the Internet. Just click on which one you wish to search and click Go. With this search capability, you will never need to leave Hotel Recommends to find the information you need. Industry news. The tourism and travel industry is constantly evolving. This section will give you the latest in breaking news and updates relating to your industry. It will also give you some great facts about the city, such as annual visitors, attraction attendance, and more. Group events and invitations. Knowing what a business has to offer means having confidence in your recommendation. One of the many benefits you have as a user of Hotel Recommends is an ongoing invite to participate in our monthly invites and events. Each month you will receive invitations to experience our partners' businesses so you may experience what they have to offer to your guests. This comes in two forms. Group events are at a specific date and time and are attended by your fellow guest services personnel. Invitations are the other form and allow you to experience a business at a time convenient for you and in most cases with your own guest. Both of these experiential invites will come to you through your group events/invitations button and/or email. Chat. Community is a major part of the Hotel Recommends experience. The chat feature was created to keep you connected with your peers. Clicking on the chat button opens up the chat window. You will notice ongoing conversations from other Hotel Recommend users. You can respond to what they say or start a new conversation of your own. All Hotel Recommend users can see your conversation and have the opportunity to add or reply. This could be very helpful should you have a guest request something you don't know. Now you can rely on your fellow peer group to help you out. For example, who knows the best seafood in LA? Or, what's the best beach for wildlife viewing? Editorial forums. Editorial forums showcase what's going on around town. Hotel Recommends administrators constantly add new content. You can not only read the content, but also add your own comments. You can also create new forums of your own. As the experts in guiding guests to the city's best offerings, your opinions and input are valued. This is a community, and we encourage you to participate. And don't worry if you're not a writer. This is to be read by your peers, so keep it conversational. Resource directory. For everyday information on just about every category you can think of, go to the Resource Directory area, which will show you a list of categories. Once you choose your desired category, you will find alphabetized listings showcasing names, addresses, phone numbers, and general info about each listing. Maps. Hotel Recommends has partnered with MapQuest to give you easy access to maps and directions as you send guests on their way. One tip: have your computer autofill your hotel address in the From section on the MapQuest page. Golf. Getting a tee time has never been easier. You can make a tee time two different ways. By 1, entering criteria of what the guest is looking for, such as price, area, and time, which will show all available courses that match that criteria. Or 2, by checking a specific course for availability. Within each course page, you will find a video tour, course information, and more. Attraction tickets. The Attractions button links into a virtual inventory of the best attractions in town through the ARES network. When you click on the Attractions button, a new window will open displaying all available tickets. A default list of tickets will appear in no particular order, but can be customized by contacting your Hotel Recommends representative. For example, should you sell mostly Legoland and Harbor cruises, those can be set to appear at the top of your list. Should you know what you are looking for, or if you want to search by category, you can locate tickets through the search functions at the top of the list. Once your ticket is found, you will find a lot of information about the ticket that can be explained to the guest, such as price, discount, hours, directions, and more. Once a guest decides to purchase the ticket, you simply add it to the cart for checkout. If you wish to add additional tickets, you simply add more to the shopping cart. Once finished, it's time for checkout. Clicking on the checkout button starts the payment process. You will need to enter the guest's credit card and billing info to complete the transaction. For each transaction, there is a small transaction fee of $1 per ticket with a $5 maximum per transaction. This is to cover the credit card processing fee and should be explained to the guest as a convenience fee. Once completed, the tickets are ready for printing. A window will open that allows a print-friendly version of the e-ticket to be printed. This is the actual ticket and can be taken right to the attraction. Hotels. For those times when your hotel is sold out, or you have a guest continuing on to another destination, you can use the Hotel button to book the guest into an available room. Once again, the same technology is used as with attractions. Here you can view available hotels based on dates, price, or region. Transportation. In addition to car rentals, many other types of transportation are needed by your guests. Whether it be a cab, a limo, a shuttle bus, or tour bus, you will find them all in the Transportation button. The simple design showcases an image of each different type of transportation. You can choose to see a list of options or click directly on the Reservations button. Car rentals. Booking a car rental uses the same technology as the attraction tickets, so much of the process and pages are similar. To book, you will enter the appropriate info based on your guest's needs, i.e. the number of days, vendor choice, etc., and the available options will display. Once chosen, the checkout process is the same as for the attractions area. Airline Info. When a guest needs your help to book a flight, check in, or check flight status, simply go to the Airline button for a link to all of the major airlines. Theater and sports. Ticketmaster, the leader in event ticketing, has partnered with Hotel Recommends to give you access to anything that uses Ticketmaster for its ticketing. This includes theater, sporting events, and concerts. In this area, you will find shortcuts to the most popular venues and attractions in your area. Others can also be found by clicking into the main Ticketmaster area. Restaurants. When making a restaurant reservation for a guest, there is no need to ever pick up a phone again. By clicking on your restaurant button, you will see a list of restaurants that use open table reservations technology, which connects in directly to the computer system at the restaurant. This allows you to see the times available for reservations while also allowing you to book that reservation. When you click Make a Reservation, you will be taken to a page that asks you to log in or sign up as a new user. If it is your first time using OpenTable, you will need to sign up. Thereafter, you will simply use your login. Once logged in, you will need to enter your guest name in the Notes for the Maitre d' section. This will allow us to track each reservation you make while still allowing the restaurant to have the name of your guests. You can print a confirmation for your guests, and the restaurant will be waiting for their arrival. Movies. For the silver screen, Hotel Recommends has linked with movies.com, giving you access to movie reviews, times, and tickets. To find theaters in your area, enter your zip code in the yellow box at the top right. This will show you times and, in some cases, the ability to purchase online tickets. Please note that not all theaters participate in online ticketing. Weather. The weather icon displays the current weather. You can also search for the upcoming weather forecast by clicking on the temperature images. A new window will open where you can enter your desired search. Advertisements and shortcuts. Throughout Hotel Recommends, you will see advertisements from area businesses. In most cases, you can click on the ad to get more detail about that business. Sometimes that will be the company's website, but in many cases it will act as a shortcut to a reservations page within Hotel Recommends. For example, if you click on the ad for Avis, it will take you right to the car rental reservation page. All right, now that you've learned all about Hotel Recommends, its features and how best to use it, you're ready to begin servicing your guests with the most advanced technology available in the industry. Should you have any additional questions or require support, you may always go to the email section and send an email to us. Well, that's Hotel Recommends. Pretty amazing technology, huh? In the last several minutes, you've learned how to book attraction tickets, make restaurant, car rental, and golf reservations, print boarding passes, and receive industry info, invitations, and more. If you didn't catch it all, don't worry. You can always watch this entire video again or brush up on any particular feature. If you'd like additional support, remember that your hotel liaison and the entire Hotel Recommends team is here to support you. Thanks for watching and enjoy Hotel Recommends.